how to enable developer mode on the iPhone 15 or the iPhone 16. So first, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down. And from here, tap on Privacy. So it should be in here. So tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Mode. It is in the Security section. Then tap on Developer Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Now when prompt to restart the iPhone, tap on the Restart button, and this will restart the iPhone. Now also another thing is sometimes the developer mode is not available. If it is not available, there are a few things that you can do to bring it back. Mainly, you want to plug your phone into the computer, and once it is plugged into a computer, we can use a software to trigger the developer options to reappear in the menu. I think there's some kind of a bug that from time to time it calls developer mode to go disappear in the settings menu. So there it is. It's ready to enable developer mode. So swipe up to continue. Then tap on enable. And here we need to enter the phone passcode. And that's it. So we have now enabled developer mode on the iPhone 16 or the iPhone 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.